Hello everyone and welcome back to Bahar Miniature. Today I'm going to show you a super cool technique for creating smooth curves on foam boards. As you know, foam board is stiff and can't be easily bent. Applying pressure to bend it usually ends up smashing or damaging the material due to its rigid nature. An effective technique for bending foam board, especially thinner varieties, is the scoring method. Mark your desired curve on the foam board using a ruler and pencil, keeping a 5mm gap between lines. This clear guide will help you make precise cuts for effective bending using a scoring technique. Now, using a sharp blade, make shallow straight cuts along the mark lines. I'm using Ulfanif SAC1, which I've done a review on it and will link it if you'd like to watch. Make sure not to cut all the way through. We just want to go partway into the foam. Space cuts at regular intervals to allow the foam to bend without breaking. Now hold the foam board along the scored curve and gently bend it in the direction of the curve. You'll notice the foam naturally follows the scored lines, creating a smooth curve. In this example, I'm repeating the process on the opposite side using the same steps, just to show the resulting wave-like appearance. And there you have it. The scoring method is fantastic for creating gentle curves. So go ahead and give it a try in your next project. I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is a specific technique you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!